Today we have a lot of animals. The first one is a lion. This is a lion king. A lion is the king of forest. This is a lion.
Here and a there, here and there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a
This is a lion.
E-I-E-I-O.
This is a hippopotamus. This is a hippo.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
This is a horse. This is a horse.
E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
This is a giraffe. This is a giraffe.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm
This
he
is a
had a
cow.
dog.
This is a cow.
E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere.
This is a kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. This is a panda. This is a panda. This is a